Now, you have your left hand towards me, which is symbolic that you want to have or you desire to have your self-realization. That you have to keep all the time like that. If you have anything tight here or tight here, little bit loosen it. But yeah, if you are comfortable, it's all right. If you are comfortable. Main thing is you should not be uncomfortable with anything. Now, we use this right hand for action, means nourishing our centers. We have to nourish our centers ourselves. So now put your right hand on your heart. You can put it under the coat, need not be under the sweater, under the coat. Now in the heart, just now keep your eyes open so you can see what you have to do. In the heart resides the spirit. Now if you become the spirit, in the light of the spirit, you are your own guide. You are your own master. So take your right hand on the left hand side of your abdomen on the upper portion. We are only working on the left hand side. This is the center of your mastery created by the great prophets. Now take your hand in the low portion of your abdomen on the left hand side. This is the center of pure divine knowledge. Surprisingly, it is here. Pure divine knowledge. Then raise your hand again on top of your abdomen, the upper portion on the left hand side, and press it hard. Now raise your hand again on the heart. Now put your hand in the corner of your neck and your shoulder and turn your head to your right. This center goes into jeopardy when you feel guilty. I'll tell about this later on. Now raise your hand on your forehead across and put down your head. This is the center for forgiving everyone, even without thinking about them. Now take your right hand on the back side of your head. Push back your head, and here you have to ask forgiveness from the divine power for your own satisfaction. Now the last center is stretch your palm. Now put the center of your palm on top of your fontanelle bone area, which was a soft bone in your childhood, and put down your head. Here, push back your fingers. This is very important. So there's a good pressure on your scalp. Now, please put down your head and move your scalp 7 times clockwise slowly. Please put down your heads, put down your heads. You can do it better. Put down your heads. And push back your fingers. Very important is push back. Now, put down your head and push back your fingers so there's a good pressure on your scalp. That's all we have to do. The first condition is that you all have to be absolutely confident that you'll all get your self-realization. Please take down your hands. You all have to be absolutely confident that you will get your self-realization tonight. That means that you are not to feel guilty at all. That means forget your past. Whatever wrong you have done, whatever mistakes you have committed, will be dissolved by this power of divine love, because it is the ocean of forgiveness. So you have to forgive yourself. And you don't know when you feel guilty what happens. If you have committed mistakes, it's all right. After all, you are human beings, you are not gods. You face the mistakes, finished off there. What you do, you carry that here onto this center here. Thus you get spondylitis, cervical cancer, angina, or lethargic organs. So what's the use of carrying this myth with you all the time? For something that happened long time back, you are carrying still. Please know you are not guilty at all. At this moment, you are not guilty at all. I assure you, you are not guilty. Let the Kundalini judge you. You don't judge yourself. All right. The second condition is that you have to forgive everyone without even thinking about it. You have to forgive everyone. Now many people say it's difficult to forgive. Whether you forgive or you don't forgive, you don't do anything. What do you do if you don't forgive? But when you don't forgive, then you play into wrong hands and you torture yourself, while the person who has troubled you or hurt you is happy. But you are torturing yourself all your life. Now at this moment, this center is very important, because if it is not all right, the Kundalini won't rise. And also the center between the optic chiasma, which is like this, is absolutely constricted. It won't open. But when you forgive, it opens. So as it is, you have tortured yourself all your life by not forgiving. And at this important moment, you lose the chance of your self-realization. So just forgive everything, everybody, everything, even without thinking about them. We can say forgive them in general. All right. In short, you have to be pleasantly placed towards yourself, because you are human beings. You are at the epitome of evolution. You don't know what you are. So please don't condemn yourself. Don't in any way get angry with yourself. It's a very simple thing that will happen to you, and you will be amazed at your own greatness.